How to turn on double tap to turn screen on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and click on Buttons and Gestures. After you click on Buttons and Gesture, in here you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Quick Gestures in here. After you click on Quick Gestures, you'll find double tap to wake. Simply click on it and make sure the circle is on the right side. After it's turned on, you can tap the screen twice to wake up your device. And this is how to double tap to turn screen on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.